Hey everyone, my name's Amy, and today I've got an awesome recipe for you guys of a whole food, plant-based tomato and eggplant soup. Now, let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is dice up the vegetables that you're going to be using for this recipe. So make sure that you dice up your red onion and your eggplant. Once we have our vegetables diced, we're going to add the garlic and the onions to the pan, cook that for a little bit, and then add in our eggplant. We're going to cook all of this together over a medium-high heat until the eggplant has turned golden brown and shrunk some in size. If at any point the vegetables start to get stuck to your pan, make sure to add just a little bit of water in order to make sure that it doesn't get stuck to the pan. Once your vegetables are sufficiently cooked, add in 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Also add in 3 cups of vegetable broth or 3 cups of water with bouillon. Let's add in our spices. The first one is going to be 1 full teaspoon of harissa powder. If you do not have that, then you can substitute it with some paprika, cumin, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. After that, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes and 1 teaspoon of basil. We're also going to add in 1 full can of tomato sauce. We're going to let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes so that all the flavors can meld together and the eggplants can become even softer. Now, before we add in our plant milk, we're going to need to bring down the acidity of this soup a little bit, and we're going to do this with some baking soda. So using about a half a teaspoon to 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, add it in little by little and make sure you stir the pot at the same time. Once you have added a good amount of the baking soda, it's time to add in your plant milk. I highly suggest using coconut milk, though cashew milk will probably also be creamy enough. You're going to add in about 1 cup of this. And you're done. Here is what it looks like on its own. However, when I eat it, I often add some steamed kale and white beans in order to just add a little bit more nutrition to this and make it a slightly more filling meal. So I really hope that you like this recipe. This recipe is going to be linked down in the description box, and please let me know if you have any ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Alright, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you always remember to love God, eat greens, and get moving. See you in the next video.